In a groundbreaking leap forward for electric vehicles, Nyobolt has unveiled a prototype electric sports car capable of achieving an 80% charge in less than 5 minutes. This technological achievement not only shatters previous charging speed records but also sets a new standard for convenience and practicality in the realm of electric mobility. At the heart of Nyobolt's innovation lies its cutting-edge battery technology, engineered to deliver rapid charging without compromising on performance or reliability. The prototype sports car showcases the culmination of years of research and development, promising drivers a seamless charging experience that rivals traditional refueling times. The key to Nyobolt's rapid charging capability lies in its use of ultra-fast charging cells and an advanced thermal management system. These innovations work in tandem to optimize charging efficiency while maintaining battery longevity, a critical balance that ensures sustained performance over the vehicle's lifespan. Beyond its charging prowess, the Nyobolt electric sports car embodies a commitment to driving pleasure and sustainability. With sleek aerodynamics and a lightweight chassis, the prototype promises agile handling and exhilarating acceleration, elevating the electric driving experience to new heights. Inside the cockpit, drivers are immersed in a futuristic environment where cutting-edge technology harmonizes with ergonomic design. Intuitive controls and digital interfaces provide real-time data on battery status and charging progress, empowering drivers with the information they need to maximize their driving experience. Nyobolt's vision extends beyond mere transportation. It represents a paradigm shift toward sustainable mobility solutions. By pushing the boundaries of electric vehicle technology, Nyobolt aims to redefine consumer expectations and pave the way for a cleaner, greener future. The unveiling of the Nyobolt electric sports car prototype marks a pivotal moment in the automotive industry, a testament to the power of innovation and determination in shaping tomorrow's mobility solutions. As electric vehicles continue to gain traction worldwide, Nyobolt's rapid charging technology positions itself as a frontrunner in meeting the evolving needs of drivers and paving the way for widespread adoption of electric vehicles. Looking ahead, Nyobolt remains committed to refining its technology and expanding its portfolio of electric vehicles. With plans to bring its rapid charging capabilities to a broader range of models, Nyobolt aims to democratize electric mobility and empower drivers with sustainable choices that align with their lifestyle and values. As the automotive landscape continues to evolve, Nyobolt's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what's possible underscores its role as a catalyst for change in the industry. With each innovation and breakthrough, Nyobolt reaffirms its commitment to driving progress towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, one rapid charge at a time.